Introducing DVEL1000, a portable emergency work light by Duvit. The rugged suitcase form factor allows for easy mobility and transportation. This self-contained rechargeable portable work light is deployable in seconds without the need to screw components together. The light head is deployed by unfolding the leg stands and the light tower out of the current case. The height of the light tower can be easily adjusted and stands as high as 210 centimeters to provide a flood of light over the entire work area. DVEL1000 comes with a twin 1-watt LED light head and a 360 rotational axis to emit light at every desired area. The light head is connected to the battery via a single coil cord to the control panel area. The LED light head can also be mounted with 2 lamps by easily installing a blade accessory. The on-off switch is conveniently located, which controls light for either 1 or 2 lamps. DVEL1000 is powered by an inbuilt rechargeable lithium-ion battery with a runtime of 14 hours to provide continuous light supply throughout the night. The battery status can be checked by pushing the battery check button and recharged through the AC power input. Also equipped in DVEL1000 is a USB output port to charge mobile devices. DVEL1000 is available in 2 models, the 1000 and the 1000S version. The 1000S version comes with an additional light head setup box. 14 hours of battery life, twin 1-watt LED light, water resistant IP67. DVEL1000 provides a super bright floodlight in emergencies of power outage or no access to power supply.